All right, guys, quick update on the Legacy. Got it in the air today. Basically, been trying to track down the hesitation issue. Checked my up pipe gasket here. Checked my header gasket. Don't mind that bolt that I broke. I gotta get that out now. Check the header gaskets. The only exhaust leak I have is back here, but it's all post O2 sensors, so it really shouldn't be affecting anything. Check compression. We got 160 in every cylinder but cylinder 2 that has 157. No big deal. Perfect amount. So it's none of that related. Spark plugs all look nice and good. Had a nice good burn. It's not really misfiring, so I can't really blame injectors or coil packs. You know, it looks like it's coming down to maybe being the tune. Not that my tuner really did anything wrong. There just might have been like a small error, maybe with the flash. Flashing on the ECU, but otherwise, I mean, car seems to be pretty good. It's only running at 9 pounds right now because I took one of the wastegate springs out. Instead of being 17 PSI, we're back to 9 PSI, which is a heck of a lot safer. You know, there's less that could go wrong if, for whatever reason, it over boosted, which it shouldn't now. It should just be able to have the wastegate, you know, really be effective on controlling how much boost pressure. But as of right now, kind of just been going over, cleaning some things up, making sure everything's all nice and clean. You know, I mean, this at one point in time was leaking a lot of oil from the oil return line and one of the oil tubes up top for the breather tube. So just kind of cleaning all that off. But I also got to do these lateral arms back here so I can finally put some more camber on it for the track at least, and more support than these little bushings that are shot. So we're just letting them soak in some PB. Yes, I did do that. I was bored. Same thing with the sway bar. I mean, it was used when I bought it, so it just kind of made it look okay. It's not meant to be perfect, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. We all got our little things we do to our project cars, but you know, I just wanted it to look all right from a distance. Again, it's a track car. It's meant to have fun and be beaten on, and you know, overall be in good shape. And for the most part, it's all in good shape. Next thing I got to do is the steering rack. It's leaking pretty good. Can't really see it that well, but yeah, steering rack's leaking good amount. So basically, you'd be getting an STI rack, 15 plus, putting that in here. Shouldn't be too bad. You just drop out these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Drop out those bolts. Undo the lines for the power steering rack. Undo the fucking steering portion up here. And then drop the rack down. I'll undo the tie rods too, tie rod ends. And then drop it down. So all in all, it's pretty much the update. I know you guys are asking about it. You know, I haven't really gotten very far, just in the fact that we've been, you know, getting some stuff ready for the shop, and we're at Evan's shop I'm at Evan's shop right now, basically just trying to dial this in. We got his car to work on over there. He's working on the Rock Lobster, and then we got our buddy Anthony's car, WRX, that one right there. Boom. That we're doing the oil pan, Killer Bee baffle, IAG pickup tube, just some other stuff. Make his car perfect for once. But otherwise, yeah, that's the update. You know, it's looking pretty good. This Pro Sport header I really love. Some great quality welds. Definitely recommend them if you could pick it up. Pro Sport, nice. The Pro Sport up pipe. Cusco, or the coil rad radiator is looking pretty nice. A little spiffy there. A little dirty, but it was raining. Some leaves. Really gotta clean this thing out nice once spring really takes away. I mean, otherwise that's it. You know, it's the update. Got aluminum front control arms here and there. New ball joints. Shout out to Austin. Got our NVIDIA downpipe that was wrapped. Personally, I don't see the point in it. It's probably gonna catch fire one of these days. You could see all the freaking blackness all the soot. But that's pretty much it. eBay exhaust, 10 out of 10 recommend. I put some cheapo muffler deletes that I made. Yeah, they don't look that great, but it's all right. They weren't meant to be perfect. They were just meant to make it sound kind of cool for a little bit. Godspeed coilovers. And that's pretty much it. Front and rear sway bars. 10 out of 10 recommend this steering brace right here from Costco. It is amazing. It actually made a substantial difference. 10 out of 10 recommend you guys get one. Otherwise, just double checking everything over. But now that's the update. So stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully we'll be 10 out of 10, pushing hopefully roughly 20 PSI to this. I did order Pro Sport Evo boost gauge, air fuel ratio gauge, and then I also bought a new DW65C fuel pump. That one's at, I think it was 265 liters per hour. So it's pretty much as I'm gonna need. You know, it's E85 compatible if I decide to go that route, but E85 is kind of hard to come by in Connecticut, as you guys know. I mean, it's either in Norwalk or, you know, Groton area. And I think there's one in Waterbury, but they're pretty far out. Otherwise, you have to go to Mass or New York. So E85 probably won't be in my books just yet until I make this a fully designated track car. Where I don't drive it, period, besides on the track, but been kind of excited to drive it, so I've been doing that. But yeah, otherwise, stay tuned for those videos. I'll keep updating you guys as I go along with the build with the EJ20X. I think the next thing I gotta do is, you know, I mean, the water pump looks phenomenally clean, so I really probably won't do that, but I wanna do the timing belt. I'll walk you guys through how to do timing belts on these. It's really just a EJ255 kit, but you have to get in a water pump for a 2.0 because there's 2 ports here, and on the 2.5 they have 3 ports where one comes across here, goes around, and I think it goes to the oil cooler or something like that. Don't quote me on that, I forget because I don't have one in front of me, but just so you know, EJ20Xs have a 2-port style, not a 3-port. You can use a 3-port, but you gotta plug to this side. But yeah, timing kits, 255 timing kits or 2.0 timing kits, they're the same tooth count, belts are the same. At the end of the day, it's just the water pump that's different. All the pulleys are the same. All the, well, the bearings, pulleys are the same. And I think the oil pump is different. I gotta look back at my notes, but like I said, that's pretty much it for an update. She's just getting some love today. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I'll catch you guys in the next video.